Today's video is all about 20 small business ideas that are fun, creative, and great for anyone who enjoys hands-on work. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a fresh side hustle, these ideas can help you turn your skills into a profitable business. Let's get started. 1. DIY beaded flower making. Beaded flowers are beautiful and long-lasting. Start by learning a few simple designs using wire and seed beads. Sell them as home decor or in bouquets for events. Post your designs on Instagram and take custom orders. 2. Hand-painted keychains. Buy blank keychains and use acrylic paint or markers to create fun designs. You can personalize them with names or quotes. Perfect to sell at local fairs or online through Etsy. 3. Screen printing. Start with a basic screen printing kit and practice on tote bags, table runners, or t-shirts. Create trendy or custom designs and market to small brands or local events. This business can scale really well. 4. DIY wooden craft. Use wood to make shelves, signs, coasters, or home decor. Start small with hand tools, then upgrade as you grow. Sell through local craft markets or partner with interior decor shops. 5. Embroidered Arts. Embroidery is timeless. Make wall hangings, framed art, or personalized clothes and bags. You just need a hoop, thread, and fabric to begin. Great for gifting and custom orders. 6. Rope basket. Make stylish rope baskets using cotton rope and a sewing machine or glue gun. These are useful for home organization and storage. Post tutorials and show their utility to attract customers. 7. Resin Jewelry. Mix resin with glitter, dried flowers, or charms to make trendy jewelry. Start with molds and a few basic tools. Display your work on social media with close-up videos to grab attention. 8. Handmade greeting cards. Design your own greeting cards for birthdays, weddings, and holidays. Use paper cutting, stamping, or calligraphy. Sell sets or take bulk orders for events or corporate gifting. 9. Beeswax Candles. Beeswax candles are eco-friendly and smell great. Start by melting beeswax and adding essential oils. Use molds or jars for variety. Sell at farmers markets or package them as gift sets. 10. Paper bags. Paper bags are in demand with a shift away from plastic. You can make decorative or branded ones for local shops. Get craft paper, glue, and a cutter to begin. 11. DIY wall art. Create canvas art, quote, boards, or minimalist decor. Use paints, stencils, or digital printing. Share your art on Pinterest or Instagram to grow your following and attract buyers. 12. Shell jewelry. Collect shells or buy them online and turn them into earrings, necklaces, or anklets. This beachy style is always trendy. Perfect for summer markets and online boutiques. 13. Tote bags. Design and sew fabric tote bags or buy blanks and print on them. They're reusable, trendy, and sell well at markets. Partner with small brands for custom printing. 14. Pearl hairpins. Make elegant hairpins using pearls and metal clips. They're perfect for weddings or fashion lovers. Package them nicely and sell in sets online or through salons. 15. Shell wind chime. Use shells, driftwood, and string to create beautiful wind chimes. They're great for home decor and garden spaces. Start selling at home decor expos or on online craft platforms. 16. T-shirt printing. Invest in a heat press or start with iron-on transfers. Design your own graphics or offer custom prints. Target niche markets like events, clubs, or schools. 17. Crochet toys. Crochet cute animals or characters with yarn. These are loved by both kids and adults. Showcase your products on Instagram Reels to attract orders. 18. Aesthetic arts. If you love painting or drawing, focus on aesthetic themes like sunsets, dreamy skies, or cozy objects. Sell your work as prints, stickers, or even digital downloads. 19. Baking. If you love to bake, start with cookies, cupcakes, or brownies. Use social media to share your baking process and attract local customers. Offer pre-orders and cater for events. 20. Macrame bag. Use macrame techniques to make stylish bags with cotton cord. These are trendy and eco-friendly. Post styling tips along with your products to drive interest and sales.